Hello everyone, I am Axel by the Tiger, and I'm here to introduce you to Argora, a social network living on our wave. Of the centralized web, as we know, social media companies arbitrarily decide their content policies without users having any voice in the matter, even though platform users are the value drivers for these companies. So this situation gives a feeling of unfairness and leads to general confusion about information authenticity. So, for example, Facebook recently ended the ban on posts asserting COVID-19 was man-made, but about 18 months ago, it wasn't possible to express this eventual side of the story. So this is a disturbing example of a centralized control over a global event narrative. And I hear like something is disconnecting. Is it all okay? Seb?
Yeah, you're all good. Just keep
Okay,
going.
okay.
Yeah.
So this currently affects around 4.5 billion social network users in the Web 2. So that's a lot of users. So I decided to build Argora on our web 6 weeks ago because of its unique properties, which allow content to be uncensorable by default. So from there, content management will have to follow on-chain consensus mechanisms that were not possible before. And everyone should be free to say anything while being accountable for their opinion as part of society. What governs our freedom of speech are traditionally the laws of our respective country, but Argora, by essence, is an on-chain alternative that removes some of the potential corruptibilities of that model. So as an alpha version, Argora comes with a simple UI that takes advantage of the Arweave protocol. It aims to show the underlying mechanisms of the Web3 powered by Arweave and aggregate all the technologies already built on the ecosystem to provide a social platform for everyone. The goal of Argora is to enable and accompany the new properties from the Web3 so communities and societies can organize and share information in a transparent way with an immutable history. So let me show you how it works. I go on argora.xyz and I click on Launch Application to get to the last version of Argora. Here is the MetaWave. So the MetaWave is the global timeline where you can see everything in real time that is posted on Argora. On the top, you can see the search bar planet. So a planet has its own timeline. You can see this as an equivalent of a channel on Discord or a Facebook group, and I deliberately choose a neutral name so it stays open to be defined by the community in the future. And since we are going to be a galactic civilization pretty soon, I just decided to call it Planet. So if you click on someone's avatar, you can see their personal timeline, what they posted everywhere on Argora. And here is the profile data that is provided by Virtual ID. Like that is Virtual ID provided by Virtual Exchange. So it's what I call an on-chain collaboration. It's another permanent piece of technology that is on Arweave right now. So finally, if you want to come and join us on Argora right now, you can do it. You just need to click on login and log in with your RConnect wallet. And here you are, ready to go. You can weave something in here. So currently, Argora supports posts, replies, and images. In the coming months, we will be focusing on two key areas, developing the product and thinking about how to acquire users. The approach I will follow to work on these two topics will be community-driven. We want to work together with you to learn about the user behavior and continuously build the product around that. At this time, there are still many paths to explore. The focus on Argora now is to keep the user experience smooth and reactive while incrementally adding features that help users interacting with each other and own the platform until the beta release. The beta version is planned to be released in about 2 to 3 months from this day. This being a live community-driven project, we are looking for you to get involved with Argora, so together we can shape what the future of decentralized social networks on Arweave will look like. Any version of Argora is permanently stored on Arweave, and each version aims to stay compatible with the former one. So what you can share with us today on argora.xyz is truly there forever. And here I am, Axel by the Tiger on the internet, full stack developer, Linux lover, early crypto adopter, and today founder of Argora. I hope you found this as interesting as we do. Check Argora and come to meet me at the Mingle area. I would love to chat with you. Thank you.